As many of you may know, there have been a number of postponements in our proposals to neutralize the implements of violence on Earth and to prepare for the evacuation of the human race during natural planetary upheavals which have already begun. To explain the reasons for these delays, we present the acting head of the Planetary Council.
I am Marshal Tau of the Galactic Federation of Light and the acting head of the Planetary Council representing Earth. The current council members are as follows. Piratum Andromeda First Science Officer. Frelly Arcturian Master Chronologist. Istor of Bellatrix, our Chief Diplomat. Kyla Centaurian. Lilia Sun Counselor. Nera the Fomalhautan, our second science officer. Orcalimentacan, Doctor of Psychology. Brina the Pegassian, Ethics Counselor. Sheila Procionan, third science officer. Gore the Tossician, Master Pilot and Navigator. And Shurko of Mantralia, Federation Observer. Together our mission is called Outreach from the Stars. We of the Federation have been visiting Earth for many centuries. Records of contact may be found among the artifacts of ancient Earth societies. Our influence can be seen in their religious and artistic endeavors. In recent times we have returned with technologies that we hope will help to prevent the human race from destroying itself. It was our original plan to employ these technologies in order to neutralize the many weapons of war and to pacify hostile armies, to render your many nuclear weapons totally useless, and to still the rumble of the engines of destruction on the battlefield, even to bring an end to armed terrorism and crime in the streets, so that your biblical prophecy can come true, and the lion shall lie down with the lamb. However, certain unforeseen problems with this plan quickly became apparent. To neutralize all possible weapons, we would have to get rid of such common household implements as scissors, virtually all tools, sports equipment, common household chemicals, rocks on the beach, bare fists, and the ubiquitous automobile, which we all know is capable of being used to create obscene carnage. Therefore we were forced to delay the use of our neutralizing technology. If everything potentially dangerous was removed, the world would look like this: a barren and featureless desert. There was also another formidable power blocking our plan for peace, that being the unbelievably unyielding force of human free will. This characteristic remains resolute and is often steered by belligerence. Mankind individually or collectively insists on acting in a self-chosen manner. We of the Galactic Federation may have highly advanced technologies, but we are not the creators or the rulers of the universe, and we have no power to negate human free will. Another phase of our intended interaction with the peoples of the Earth has to do with the planet itself, which is about to enter an era of remarkable and dangerous change. Emanations of an unknown type will radiate from within the planet, causing atmospheric and gravitational changes of an unprecedented nature. The poles may shift, bringing about cataclysmic tidal events, resulting in the complete destruction of much of what mankind has built. Volcanoes will sear the earth where green meadows once lay, and a new ice age will plunge the earth into a planetary deep freeze, leaving a world virtually sterile of all life. Any who by chance survive will find themselves strangers in a strange land. For centuries the Federation had planned to save the human race. Technologies were developed to facilitate just such a rescue effort. The basic idea was to lift selected human subjects off the surface of the Earth. This task would be performed by the numerous scout ships that are occasionally sighted by humans. The scout ships would then carry the survivors away to the waiting interstellar fleet, leaving their ruined cities far below to face their final destiny. Loaded aboard the much larger star cruisers, the salvaged humans will begin their journey. Subjecting the humans to suspended animation is a necessity owing to the length of time taken to reach the nearest star system. At this time the exact destination is a Federation secret, but the passengers will arrive safely and be awakened for transport to the new world below, where they will catch their first glimpses of one of the Federation capitals. They will visit the ancient city of Astara, located on the Lake of the Heavens. A favorite spectacle will be the Museum of Art in Laquina. Of course, there are many forms of life in these worlds that humans will find fascinating, and also many seeds of exotic beauty to be appreciated. Human scientists will marvel at the Temple of Science in Paladin, and the garden parks of Zibern are a favorite location for meditation and relaxation.